Attention drawn to our super moon this morning here in Kansas City. It is a glow right now. If you are up and at 'em and wondering what that bright light is outside, it's our super moon. This is a live look right now on our Bordner City camera. This is from Shawnee Mission Medical Center. We still have a great view right now, but I do anticipate we're going to see quite a bit of cloud cover moving into our area for the second half of the day. Look at our temperatures for this afternoon. Here we go again. Day 2 in a row. We are going to soar into the 80s. Scratch the 70s. We're going to be through the 70s by about 10 o'clock this morning. We're going for a high of 85 degrees as we're heading into this afternoon. This is the warm ahead of our next storm system. I do anticipate we're going to see more cloud cover moving in for this afternoon. I've got an isolated storm in the forecast tonight after sunset, a 20% chance of rain for any late evening activities. But then tomorrow, this is what it's going to look like here in Kansas City for the bulk of the day. A 70 to 80% chance of rainfall on the forecast here as we're heading towards late tonight and primarily into Wednesday, with waves of scattered showers and thunderstorms expected as we're heading towards tomorrow. This is the very newest update of Forecast Track. We are going to be dry, but clouds moving in. This is a look at 5 o'clock tonight. As we're moving towards 10 o'clock this evening, Gary Amble will likely have just 1 or 2 thunderstorms. This is our 20% chance of storms by the time you're heading to bed tonight. And then we will see increasing chances of rain by tomorrow morning. A solid 60 to 70% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms to begin our Wednesday, with a look as we're heading towards about 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. I do expect some of these thunderstorms are going to be noisy. They're going to bring some heavier downpours into our area, and we will likely see these waves of scattered showers and storms. Won't be constant rain all day long for tomorrow, but it will be the general theme for your Wednesday. And I do expect that we are still going to have some rainfall impacting your evening plans as we're heading towards tomorrow night. The latest update here of your Security Bank 7-day forecast. We are going to smoothly sail back into the 70s in terms of highs behind this chance of rain on Wednesday, 72 on Thursday, 73 on Friday. Looking ahead to our weekend, Gina, right now it looks great. Dry conditions and temperatures near 80.